The Samsung Galaxy Z Roll is one of the most exciting smartphones expected to launch at the end of 2025. After years of foldables, Samsung is now stepping into a new era with a rollable display device, combining the portability of a phone with the functionality of a tablet. The main highlight is its rollable AMOLED screen. In its compact form, it looks like a normal smartphone, but with a smooth sliding mechanism, the screen can extend to a massive 12.4 inches, creating an immersive tablet-like experience without the visible crease we usually see on foldables. This means movies, games, and multitasking apps will feel bigger, brighter, and smoother than ever. The design is expected to be slim and futuristic. Samsung is said to be using reinforced layers and advanced mechanical engineering to make the rolling action durable and reliable, even after thousands of uses. Imagine a device that can slip into your pocket, yet instantly transform into a productivity powerhouse when you need more space. Performance will likely be top tier, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and paired with plenty of RAM for smooth multitasking. Samsung's new AI features will also play a big role. Things like real-time translation during calls, automatic message summarization, smart reminders, and camera enhancements powered by artificial intelligence. Speaking of cameras, early reports suggest a triple lens setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with optical zoom. Combined with AI-powered image processing, this could make the Z Roll one of the best mobile cameras for both everyday photos and professional content creation. In Saudi Arabia, pricing is expected to be in the ultra-premium category, likely between 8,000 and 10,000 riyals, depending on storage and configuration. That places it above the Galaxy Z Fold series, but it makes sense given the breakthrough rollable technology. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy Z Roll promises to be more than just a phone. It's a hybrid device designed for work, play, and creativity. A pocket-sized smartphone that can expand into a full-screen tablet whenever you need it. With its launch expected late in 2025, the Z Roll could redefine what we imagine a smartphone can be.